When I first started learning UI design, I downloaded every tool people mention and ended up spending more time switching between them than actually designing. So today, I'm saving you from that chaos. I'll tell you exactly which software you need to learn first and why. Hey everyone, I'm Ali Reza and welcome to Parallane. Let's jump in. First one is Figma. If you only pick one tool to master, make it Figma. It's hands down the most popular UI design tool right now, used by startups, agencies, and big companies alike. It's cloud-based, super collaborative, and perfect for creating wireframes, mockups, and prototypes all in one place. We can even share designs instantly with developers or clients without exporting anything. And with all the new AI-powered features rolling out, Figma is honestly becoming unstoppable. My complete UI design course is also based on Figma that you can enroll today. Check the link in the description below. Next one is Adobe Photoshop. Even though it's not the primary UI design tool, it's still incredibly useful, especially for editing and enhancing images. Let's say you're designing a hero section and you want to color grade a background photo or remove distractions. Photoshop is your best friend. You absolutely don't need to become a Photoshop wizard, but knowing how to crop, mask, color adjust, and export assets properly will make your UI designs look so much more polished. Then we have Adobe Illustrator. This one shines when it comes to creating custom icons, logos, or any vector-based graphics for your interface. While Figma does have some vector tools, Illustrator gives you way more control and precision. So when you need those clean, scalable icons or branding elements, this is where Illustrator steps in. I recommend learning this software deeply and professionally because it will really benefit you in the long run. For example, you will be able to design website banners yourself, and you can even charge extra for that when working with a client or employer. Yes, you might have a teammate who usually handles that part, but there is a good chance their design style won't perfectly match your website's overall look, so I strongly suggest paying attention to this skill. Now, this one surprises a lot of people, Blender. It's not a must for every designer, but if you want to create modern, standout designs, learning some basic 3D in Blender can take your visuals to the next level. When you want to take your design to the next level and create a futuristic looking website using fully custom 3D assets, Blender can be the best software for that. It's perfect for designing those modern, space-like visuals that make your work stand out. And here's something a lot of designers overlook: learning a bit of HTML and CSS. You don't have to become a developer, but understanding how your designs are actually built can give you a huge advantage. You'll communicate better with developers, design more realistic layouts, and even spot what's technically possible or not. Believe me, this is a huge advantage. Think of it as a bonus skill that makes you stand out as a designer. Trust me, clients or employers will love it. In the end, let me give you a few quick honorable mentions: Notion or Figma. For organizing ideas, planning, and brainstorming, one of them is enough. Adobe After Effects. If you want to add micro animations or motion to your UI, it's perfect. My friends, note that you don't need to learn all of them right away. I can divide these softwares into 3 steps. First of all, master Figma. It's your main design playground. Then, learn Photoshop and Illustrator for polishing and creating visuals. And in the end, explore Blender or Adobe After Effects if you want to create complex and innovative projects. Once you've got this done, you'll have everything you need to design interfaces that look professional and feel amazing to use. Alright, that's it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.